A super tasty, crunchy slaw made with rutabaga, green onions, carrot, and diced pears, tossed with fresh herbs and a punchy vinaigrette. Next time you're at the supermarket, pick up a rutabaga, because boy, do I ever have a salad for you. Today, it's our rutabaga slaw with pears. Right off the top, I gotta tell you, we absolutely love salads here at Weekend at the Cottage. And have I ever got a great salad for you? Today we're making a very delicious slaw, so there will be a little grating involved, but beyond that, it's very easy. Now, it's not a coleslaw recipe I'm gonna show you, right? There's no cabbage in sight. Instead, it's all about grating up this beautiful vegetable, all about rutabaga today. Let's get started. We're gonna start with the dressing. Grab a handy jar with a lid. We're gonna add 2/3 of a cup of vegetable oil, 1/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of kosher salt, then 1/2 teaspoon each black pepper, mace, dry mustard, and sweet paprika. Lid goes on, let's shake up that dressing, and then we just set it to the side. With the dressing done, now it's time to chop up 3 green onions. We're gonna trim off the ends and then slice them down the middle and then dice them up. We're also gonna grab a bunch or 2 of your favorite herbs. Today I'm using a combination of fresh parsley and fresh mint. The quantity is about 1/2 cup, roughly chopped. You can set the herbs aside with the green onions. Next, we're gonna grate up carrot and rutabaga. You can use a box grater, but we found a food processor is way faster and easier in this recipe. You could use a large blade or smaller. Again, we liked the smaller one for this slaw. This next step is really great. Get it? Food processor, great blade attachment. I have 1 carrot peeled and trimmed. It goes into the food processor. Check out this rutabaga, it's about 2 pounds, but before we grate it, we need to trim away the exterior, which is sometimes coated with wax to preserve. We're gonna trim it away and then cut the rutabaga into big chunks. Run all of those chunks through the food processor too. Then spill the grated veggies into a large bowl. Add the chopped green onions. Add the chopped fresh herbs. Shake up that dressing and then spill it over the slaw. Toss to combine. Time out, that slaw is tasting fantastic, but I thought we'd elevate the flavor profile with a little bit of sweet and sour. So I have 2 sweet pears. Any and all varieties will work. Don't peel the pears, just trim it away from the core and dice. We're gonna spill the diced pears onto the salad. Here comes the sour. We're gonna cut a lemon in half, juice that half, and then spill the lemon juice on the salad. We're gonna toss again to combine, and we are ready to enjoy. And enjoy you will. Full recipe is up at weekendатthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video and all our salad videos on our dedicated YouTube channel. Remember, drop us comments, give us a thumbs up when you like this video. And then finally, when a salad is this sensational, take a picture of it, post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendатthecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. A rutabaga slaw with pears. On its own, served with a sandwich, how about next to a favorite main? It is slaw-sational, trust me. Crunchy, beautiful, amazing.